Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. This will be a short video on set notation 1.5. This is fancy math talk. That's what it is. And to be honest, I don't care for most of it. There are some things that are handy, such as set, the actual what a set is. A set, just like if you had a set of Magic the Gathering cards, is a collection of objects, a collection of Magic the Gathering cards. And in mathematics, we write them in curly braces. So like A, B, C, D, E. Or I just screwed that curly brace up. The dot, 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 it means ellipses, but it's not the mathematical ellipse. It means just keep following the sequence. So if this was set 1, or let's go with A, and if this was set B, A is the set of letters in the alphabet. B is the set integers greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. And I believe those are called the natural numbers. It's either natural or whole. One of them includes 0, one doesn't. Natural numbers include 0 again. See, I had to look it up because some of this fancy math talk isn't all that important. I don't use the phrase natural numbers often enough to remember it. Okay. A actually is a finite set. You run out of letters. So A is a finite set, which means a limited number of, they're called limited number of elements or members. In the set. B is not a finite set, it's an infinite set. It keeps going. This approach of doing it like this is called the roster method. Listing the numbers or things. No dot, dot, dot means don't keep going. These are obviously the vowels. So we're listing the roster of things in the group. And these are the elements or members. Sometimes there's nothing in the set. An empty set we either write it as this with nothing in it, or you can do like 0 through a bar, but not both. But don't do that. Okay. A couple more things. These will come up again. Union and intersection. So let's say my set A is A, B, C, D, E. And set, I'll go with C, because I did use numbers for B. I'm going to say C was my vowels. One way of doing this is do Venn diagrams. It's called a Venn diagram. I have two sets and it looks like I have some overlap. So I'm going to put two circles and I'm going to show the circles overlapping. This will be set A. This will be set B. And where they overlap is A and B. Outside of it is neither A nor B. The overlap between these is A and E. And set A also has B, C, and D. And B has I, O, and U. So union is indicated with a giant U. And it tends to be a YU. It means and. So if I say A union C, it means what is in A and also what is in C. A has A, B, C, D, E. And C, I already have A and E there, so I'm not going to put them in again. But it is, I also have three more letters, I, O, and U. Okay. So that is A union C. Intersection is union is or, not and. I thought that was reading funny. Intersection is and. And we write it as the upside down U. What is in both A and C? That set is just A and E. It's where they intersect. I said B there. This should have been a C. My bad. Okay. That's what intersection and union mean. We're going to do them with numbers a lot, especially when we do inequalities. You can see 2.4, we have the word inequalities. We're going to use that there. union and intersection pop up there a lot in math. Okay. There's also something called set builder notation. So here's an example of set builder notation. I hate this notation. If you go down like the pure math branch, they use it a lot. This symbol is such that. So this says we want x such that x is greater than negative 11. And this symbol right here means element of. And x is an element of the negative integers. So I can build the set with that information. Greater than negative 11, and it's got to be a negative integer, would be negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. That is the set of negative integers that's greater than negative 11. So we can build sets from the set builder notation. The reason why they have it is this is actually shorter to write. But what if this had 1,000 numbers in it? 1,000,000 numbers in it. I don't want to write out the entire set. So they use set builder notation to show what's in it, and they use words. That's it for 1.5. Peace.